IQNet is a network of government authorities from national and regional levels from throughout Europe, which have responsibility for regional and local development using European funding. The network is intended to support these authorities at national and regional levels into making good use of European funding to ensure that it has the most impact, that it's most efficiently managed, and that it makes a difference to the lives of people. There have been different priorities at different times. Currently, the big focus is on the green transition, meeting climate targets, digitalization, demographic change. We bring together the partners every 6 months in one of the partner countries or regions around Europe. In advance of each meeting, the European Policy Research Centre undertakes comparative research in all of the partner countries and regions to bring together experience, the commonalities and contrasts, what counts as good practice or innovative thinking. This provides an excellent basis for both formal and informal knowledge sharing, and also the transfer of good ideas from one country or region to another. And a lot of the learning that has emerged from IQNet research and knowledge exchange has been pioneering and innovative, and has contributed towards policy development across the EU as well as in individual countries and regions. We would welcome managing authorities, coordinating authorities, getting in touch with EPRC, and we'd be happy to discuss how IQNet might be of value.